And now we get to the important question. Why does the genome matter? Understanding the human genome has taken years of work and billions of pounds, and there is still a great deal to find out. There are many reasons why scientists feel that all of this effort is worthwhile. Understanding the human genome helps us to understand inherited disorders such as cystic fibrosis and sickle cell disease. The more we can understand what goes wrong with these diseases, the more chance we have of overcoming them through medicines or by repairing the faulty genes. There are genes that are linked to an increased risk of developing many diseases, from heart disease to type 2 diabetes. Understanding the human genome is playing a massive part in the search for genes linked to different types of diseases. The more we understand about the genome, the more likely we are to predict the risk for each individual, so they can make lifestyle choices to help reduce these risks. This includes changes that can happen in the genome when a cancer develops. By analyzing the genomes of cancer cells, scientists and doctors hope to become even better at choosing the best treatment for each individual. And right now, cancer therapy is going towards targeted therapeutics, which means we deal with the cancer of every patient as if it is a different disease from all the other types of cancers in the world, and we target it in a completely different way, almost as if we are personalizing their therapy. And this only happens by understanding the genes involved in this disease, which comes from understanding the human genome. Understanding the human genome helps us understand human evolution and history as well. People all over the world can be linked by patterns of their DNA, allowing scientists to trace human migration patterns from our ancient history. We can also be linked to early members of the human family tree. For example, most people have a small number of Neanderthal genes in their DNA, even though that branch of the human family died out around 40,000 years ago. And that's the importance of studying the human genome.